hard to make much of these numbers, right, Hendrik, without producing revenues. I did note that reservations totaled 16,000. What are you planning to say to the street as far as an update on your business and when we're going to start to see those cars getting sold?
Well, I think a lot of people underestimate the complexity of the car industry. And, one of the things I don't think we've got a lot of credit for is we have closed two major deals. We are working with two of the largest manufacturers in the world, one being Magna, which is a very large engineering supply chain and automotive manufacturer. And then we just signed a deal with Foxconn, as you mentioned, where we are planning to make a truly revolutionary vehicle. And being with these two large companies really puts us, I think, in a pole position to deliver on time. We're the only EV startup that have not used COVID to announce a delay. We're on time to deliver our next vehicles next year. And of course, we are using money right now for development, which is, I think, good news. And that's why you see, of course, a loss per share, because our development is on track.
Wanted to dig into the Foxconn partnership and decision a little more, and curious why you chose Foxconn and whether you're worried at all that they are one of the biggest, they are the largest Apple supplier for iPhones, long-time relationship there, and Apple widely rumored to be making its own car.
Well, Foxconn was part of this innovation that happened at Apple. And right now I'm looking for an innovation, a revolution in the car industry. I'm not looking to just make another electric car. So that's number one. Number two, supply chain is one of the most difficult things in automotive. And as we move into more tech in the cars, Foxconn is probably the best supplier you could have in the world. And finally, when it comes to manufacturing, they are extremely fast and innovative to set up manufacturing plants all over the world. And also, let's not forget the chip crisis. Foxconn produces chips. One of the things the chairman told me is I never have to worry about not getting enough chips for my car.
So Henrik, talk us through a bit more exactly how the deal will work. They're going to own the plant themselves, and so does that lead to a revenue share? Do you have to share your IP with them? How does that work?
So it's a very unique deal that hasn't really happened before. We're actually jointly investing into this program pretty much 50-50. And we do what each of us do best. So yes, they will own the plants around the world, starting with the one here in the US. We'll own the tooling. We'll be in charge of development, design. We will market the vehicles, sell the vehicles, and we have some degree of profit share. And I think it really incentivized both of us to reach our very aggressive target of a sales price under $30,000 before incentives. And that would truly be a revolution if you can create a premium EV under $30,000.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.